Welcome to Excel for Tally. In this video, we will learn about voucher types in Tally ERP 9. Select voucher types from Accounting Info. Create a new voucher type from here. If there will any same name, then it will show error and it can't accept. Select voucher types group from the list. Select method of voucher numbering from the list. Save the voucher type. Select accounting voucher to create an invoice. Click on Sales and it will show the list to select voucher types. Voucher type name will reflect here. Save the sales voucher. Select sales register and check the data. Voucher type name is shown here for the voucher. Now select another voucher type and create an invoice. Voucher type are showing here for the voucher. You can also check voucher type data in statistics. The voucher type list with number of voucher is shown here. Select list of accounts from display to see all the voucher types. All the voucher type list is shown here. You can also check voucher type data in statistics. In this way, you can create or edit voucher type in Tally ERP 9. You can also import all your data with voucher type from Excel to Tally in one click by excel4tally.com. Search excel4tally.com on web. Sign up for free on excel4tally.com to import your data. Mail us or call us for any query. Subscribe to our channel for updates. Watch our other videos for updates on Tally and Excel. Subscribe to our channel to get latest update on Tally and Excel. Thank you for watching video.